Hello everyone. So today we are going to see another easy problem, search a 2D matrix 2. So we are given an integer two-dimensional array and we have to search for the target value in the array and return true or false. If the value is present in the array, we have to return true, and if not, we have to return false. So let's see how we're going to approach this problem. As always, our brute force is going to start from the cell 0, 0 and iterate through the matrix from each row and each column. It searches for the target. If it found the target, it returns true. If not, it is going to return false. So that algorithm is going to run in big O of mn, where m and n are number of rows and columns present in the array. So how to make it better? Because we have a clue that each column and each row is sorted. So how do we make it better algorithm? So I'm going to start my iteration from this cell. Why? Because this is the cell where from here the values start increasing in this side and values start decreasing from in this side. So I'm going to start my iteration here. I'm going to check if this value is equal to my target. If it is true, then we return true. If not, I'm going to check whether my target is less than or greater than this value. If it is greater than this value, if my target is greater than this value, then we have to shift our search towards this direction. If our target is less than this value, then we have to shift our search towards this direction, because the value starts decreasing in this way and increasing in this way. So now our target is 5. We are starting from this cell and asking the question whether it is equal to our target. No, 18 is not equal to our target and 18 is greater than 5. So we are going to search it before the cells, because if you go this side it is going to increase value. We want lesser value, so we are going to move our pointer and fix our pointer here at the 10. So now we are checking whether 10 is equal to 5. No, 10 is actually greater than 5, so still we're gonna move our pointer towards upper direction. So now we keep our pointer here. We ask the question whether 3 is less than or equal to or greater than 5. 3 is actually less than 5. So in this case, we have to move towards right direction. So now our pointer moves to 6. So again it is asking whether 6 is greater than, less than or equal. So 6 is actually greater than 5. So what are we going to do? If it is greater, we are going to move it towards upper direction. So now we move our pointer towards up and we found our target and we have to return true. The same way, for example, if we want to find 22, we are again going to start from the bottom left cell and we're going to ask whether 22 is greater or lesser. 22 is actually greater than 18, so we move towards right direction. So we moved our pointer towards right to this cell. Again asking the question, 22 is greater than or less than 21. It is actually greater than 21, so move towards here. Here we ask 21 is equal to 22 or greater than 22. It is greater than 22, so if it is greater, we are going to move it towards up direction, so we fix it here at 14. 14 is less than 22, so it is, if it is less than, we are going to move it towards right. And 17 is less than 22 again, so we move towards right. So 24 is greater than 22, so we move up. And yes, we reached our target. We're gonna return true. So this is how our algorithm gonna work. So let's see the code now. So as I said, I'm gonna have two pointers, I and j. So my I is gonna represent the rows. That is, I'm gonna point at the bottom most row. So let's have matrix dot length -1 as my I, and j gonna start from the first column. So let's initiate j is equal to 0, and I'm gonna iterate whether my I is less than, greater than or equal to 0 and j is less than or equal to matrix 0 dot length, which is actually the column size, and we check if matrix of I comma j is equal to our target, then return true. Else we are going to check if matrix of I comma j is greater than target. If it is greater than target, we move up. In that case, we have to reduce the row number. So we simply decrement I. Else, if it is less than, then we increment j. That is, it move towards right direction. Finally, if the value is not present, we are going to return false. So let's run. Let's submit. Yes, the solution is accepted. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe. Thank you.